In this lesson, we will learn how to profile social media accounts effectively. Account profiling is a critical skill in digital investigations, fact-checking, and OSINT work. By examining patterns, activity, and engagement behavior, we can identify whether an account is authentic, suspicious, or potentially automated. By the end of this lesson, you will understand why account profiling matters in today's digital environment. You'll learn how to examine username structures, analyze account creation dates, review activity timelines, and evaluate follower and engagement patterns. These techniques will strengthen your ability to critically assess online identities instead of accepting them at face value. 35% fake accounts. Studies estimate that a significant percentage of social media accounts are fake or automated. This means that not every profile represents a real person. For journalists, researchers, and digital investigators, this makes account profiling essential for fraud detection, misinformation tracking, and cybersecurity analysis. Username patterns. Usernames can reveal important clues. Many genuine users choose names that reflect their identity, profession, or interests. However, unusual combinations of numbers, excessive underscores, or auto-generated structures may indicate non-human accounts. Recognizing these patterns is the first step in evaluating credibility. Suspicious username structures. When analyzing usernames, look for red flags. Random strings of characters, long number sequences, or repetitive patterns are common signs of bot-generated accounts. While not every unusual username is fake, consistent structural patterns across multiple accounts often signal automation or coordinated activity. Profile creation date. The account creation date provides valuable insight. If an account was created recently but already posts aggressively or engages heavily in political or controversial discussions, that's suspicious. Sudden bursts of activity from newly created profiles often indicate coordinated campaigns. Follower and following analysis. Next, examine the follower-to-following ratio. Authentic users typically have balanced patterns. However, accounts that follow thousands of users but have very few followers may be attempting to appear legitimate. Ratios help reveal artificial growth strategies or bot networks. Unnatural engagement patterns. Engagement patterns also tell a story. Bots often generate abnormal activity, such as instant comments, repetitive phrases, or engagement at unusual hours. If multiple accounts share identical comments or content simultaneously, this may indicate coordinated automation. Bot behavior indicators. Finally, pay attention to content behavior. Repetitive posting, identical messaging across accounts, or excessive sharing of a single narrative are strong indicators of bot-like activity. When multiple warning signs appear together, the likelihood of inauthentic behavior increases significantly.